Boy, y'all look at my boy BJ478NOR pull up on y'all like this. God, that shit's so nasty. Ooh, wait, look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Shopping. Shopping on y'all. Damn. This thing beautiful. Wow. Brother. Yeah. Ooh wee. Bro, gorgeous.
I said you can't do too much.
Okay. Hold up.
All right, this is BJ from the 478, and today I got a treat for you. This is what I got going on. I'm down here at Macon Muffler. It's in off of Vineville, and what Mr. Eddie's gonna do, he's gonna add this full Corse Extreme Exhaust on. It's the catback on, but what he has to do is cut the active exhaust out, and we're gonna re-weld and melt it back in. And remember what I said, if you haven't seen my other video, we're not gonna use those clamps. Mr. Eddie's gonna go ahead and TIG weld all these pieces on there, because I don't think I'm gonna take it back off. I don't want the exhaust leaks. I want it to sound and perform like it's supposed to, and I just don't think those clamps are gonna give me what I want. So stay tuned. We're gonna do a before and an after. This and being the before, and then we're gonna get some sound after I go ahead and throw it on. So stay tuned, check it out. Okay, I just got back home. It started to rain on me a little earlier, so I just got back home, and what I want to do, I want to go ahead and crank it up, and let's see what this Corsa Extreme Exhaust sounds like.